Alright, here's the smoke alarm section at my local Target. Sorry. Local Target. Anyways. Alright, starting with the SMCO210. Here's some more SMCO210s. Jesus, $50? Sorry about having a runny nose. Anyways, CO710 on clearance for $22.49. First load, SMCO 200, SM210V, SM210V, SMI 100 AC. In fact, here's one right here. SM210E. Oh yeah, this is a female manual, by the way. There's another one you'll see in a bit. SM210 and CO400 or combo pack. SM 500 SMCO 500V. CO 400 value pack. Jesus, $42.99. SM210. SM210. Here's another female manual, a SMCO 210V. CO 606. Sorry about that. Anyways, CO 606. This is where an SM 200 would go. SMI 102 value hack. Oh my god, $65. You could get this at like Lowe's for 40. 45. That's just insane. Alright, anyways. SMI CO 100 AC. CO 400. First load Tundra / Easy fire spray. Garage fire extinguisher. Home fire extinguisher. These are probably just the same extinguisher, honestly. Here's more of them. Here's the designer series variant. Sorry about that. I'm having a runny nose. Anyways, and a kitchen fire extinguisher. Behind me, a whole lot of flashlights. And a lot of indoor lights, too. I'm not even going to go through all the flashlights they have here. Anyways, hope you all like this video. See ya. In fact, you can just I'll just show y'all what they have. Alright, see ya.